Not even on a short ride, just a city ride. And the weather is pretty hot as of now. Basically, I'm here for first time, so finally had a time to spend a quality time here. Safe. Oh my god, same bike. RC models for bikers. I'm searching for my monster. Not sure where I parked. Hi, hola guys, it's Crossplane Monster32 and how are you doing guys? And welcome back to my channel guys. After many days, after many months, we are going for a short ride, which means not even on a short ride, just a city ride. So basically today I'm going to Lakeshore Mall in Varington, Kuwait. So here is our monster. So basically this is my basic dress. So the thing is to say about my camera, it's a long story. Nothing but one of my Insta360 camera, I mean the 4K lens camera is actually missing. So this is my old camera. So actually my 4K lens mod is missing, but my 360 lens is there. It's been missing like above 4 to 5 months. I'm missing it very badly. Basically our group rides are very less these days, as well as this is summer and I'm standing under a tree, so we can find a shade and the video will be good. As well as my bike is a little dusty, as you can see. I apologize for that. Alright guys, let's get going to Lakeshore and let's have fun at riding. Let's go. So what is up guys? So we are back on riding. We are heading to Lakeshore Mall in Hyderabad. So basically the time right now is like 1 p.m. and the weather is pretty hot as of now, and as well as the traffic is medium, just updating. So basically I do group rides. As this is summer, my friends aren't planning any rides because of hot weather and summer mainly. Basically I'm here for first time. So I have never seen this Lakeshore before. Basically this is first time. This Lakeshore Mall is built a few months back, like 4 to 5 months back. It was actually launched. So finally I had a time to spend a quality time here. So let's have a good time guys. So basically we are at parking lot. There are many more bikes. There are many lot bikes, as we can see. So basically I wanna park my bike at a unnoticeable place, which means searching for safe. Oh my god, same bike. Okay fine, I'll just park here. Okay. So guys, we just parked our bike and I locked my helmet here. I just locked this. So that's the thing. So let's get going to mall. So guys, as you're seeing, we are at a toy shop. It's not just a toy shop. It's uh, it's also a RC models for bikers. The RC bikes like Honda, Ducati, Kawasaki, H2R, like that. I'm literally going mad as of now, seeing these bikes, RC bikes. So basically, this shop is also for adults too, like me, who are interested in RC models and RC cars.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
What's up, guys? As of now, I'm searching for my monster. Not sure where I parked. Can't find it. This is a problem in malls. Alright, guys, we found the bike. Finally, we found the bike, guys. So what is up, guys? And we are back on riding. Nothing but we are just going to our home. Had fun in this solo ride to mall, and so far so good, guys. As well as our bike is safe in the parking. So basically my plan was just to roam around. As this Lakeshore mall is new in Hyderabad, I was just exploring this mall for first time. My favorite car is here. As I'm mixing my 4K lens of my Insta360 camera, I'm using this 360 lens to motovlog, to record all this. In editing, I have to crop everything, guys. That's a problem. If you have 4K lens, it will be very easy to edit and upload soon. I'm missing it very badly. Hope it will be found soon. The time is like almost 5 p.m. in the evening. I'm gonna end the vlog here. So that's it for today, guys, and thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button below, and please do like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this, guys. Peace out, guys.